ayun, papasok na ako sa parlor muna kasi, uy, hindi lang. Why not? Oh, nasan yung ano? So, naantay ko muna yung kasama ko. Kasi, nako-OP sila doon kapag dinala ko yung cellphone. Babay muna. Mga mababait na sakristan. Oh, hello. Hindi ka ng boyfriend. Hotdog pa din naman kasi Diyos ko, paano ba? Nagmimisa kasi. And, taran, hello. So, this is my boring vlog. Hello, St. Joseph. So, actually, nagko-comedy si Padre and I'm taking this video as a documentation. Not just as documentation, but my life. Bilang isang sakristan at coordinator na rin dito sa Monastery Power Director Rosary Knights of the Altar. No? Well, supposedly dapat nangiginig ako sa comedy, pero nangiginig pa rin naman ako. Pero the most important thing that it says in GIRM, General Instruction of the Roman Missal, is as long as yung puso mo ay nakakonect sa komedya ng hari, doon mo nakita ang presensya ng Diyos sa buhay mo. Ewan ko kung naririnig niyo ako, pero ito. So, yep. Ako tapos na niya misa. Simple food. Well, poverty doesn't mean that you will live in a state of real poverty. It's just like you're living in a simple way of life. So that's why that's deep poverty. And kain mo na ako. So, daily life, pauwi na ako. Actually, sa monastery kasi is parang ako din yung nag-aasikaso ng liturgy para sa mga bata. Ako din ang nag-aasikaso ng mga gagawin nila, ganun. Ako nga kasi yung coordinator. So, syempre, responsibilidad ko at saka isa pa is kailangan kong ayun. So, later. So, bye-bye muna for a while kasi sasakin ako. Take 2. So, ayan, hello ulit. Nandito ako ngayon. Baba lang ng trike, no? So, ako ay paakyat na ng bridge. And actually, this is my life every Sunday. Ayan, may bus na naman. So, alina. That's much better. But, ang ginagawa ko na naman, babay mo. Saan ka? Sa bagong palengke. So, balik-balik tayo. Ang usual yung ginagawa ko or ang nangyayari sa akin every Sunday is I usually wake up at 6 AM. Siyempre, kain, ligo. Usually may nagluluto naman sa bahay namin. And then, afterwards, 30 minutes na paghahanda ng sutana or alba. So, well, we usually use alba every time na we serve. And sutana naman kapag may solemnity or feast, no? So, yun naman ang lagi kong ginagawa. Then afterwards, dapat mga 7:30, 7:40 na sa monastery na ako. Kasi we don't have mother buttons, so we only have altar servers, and that's all. And as part of altar server or COA, no, sa amin, sa iba is MOAS, mass. Well, 7:30, and then mag-ayos ng gamit, parts ng chalice, and etc. And liturgy. Ako nag-ayos ng liturgy ng ginagamit ni Father kasi, well, that is part of my job and I have credentials still. And then afterwards, I'll meet my fellow altar servers to brief them. Oh my goodness, to brief them. And after I brief them, I-explain ko sa kanila yung kailangan nilang gagawin, etc. Kasi, well, communication is most important thing if you are coordinator or president of one institution. So, coordinations, yan, and afterwards, misa, and after ng misa, mag-aayos na magdilig ka na ng gamit, and then, usually, nakain kami, and afterwards, tuturuan ka na ang mga bata. So, well, hindi naman masyadong mahirap lang sa part na I have to manage my time because I'm still a student, and that's my day, my vlog. And ngayon naman ay pauwi na ako, so yan. Lagi ako nakabas, and actually simple na naman din ang buhay as part of poverty. Well, hindi ko talaga nasusunod ang poverty. Ang nasusunod ko lang naman talaga ay simplicity and obedience, kasi poverty magastos ako. Yeah, so babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Bye bye. It's so traffic, guys. Philippines been like traffic. So ayan, welcome ulit. Diba ang daming cats? Well, part yun. Pero ayun, nasa bagong palengke na ako, and then I'm gonna take a choy para makapunta na. And actually afterwards, gagawin ko na yung mga schoolworks ko, mga hindi ko natapos. Gagawin ko na yun, and ipapasok ko na yun discreetly sa respective teachers. And then ayun, because I don't wanna pass my school works in front of everyone, because I don't know, I have confidence, but it's kind of bothering me kasi I'm used to do it alone, and I'm used to be an introvert person and extrovert at the same time, but I'm still used to pass my activities discreetly without not informing everyone that I've passed the subject and stuff. So ayun, yun na naman. So I hope this video na entertain kayo, because boring life every Sunday ganito lagi. So bye bye.